Okay. Oh, I don't know if I like that. Anyway, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cheyenne Ellis. Wait, that's not how it goes. Welcome back, guys, to my channel. My name is Cheyenne Ellis, aka known as Crazy CC2. In this week's video, well, not this week, I haven't uploaded for a while because like the second lockdown is just so devastating, and when I work in care it's just a bit more stressful, so I haven't been able to bring out content for quite a while. And I'm a bit sad because 2 videos back, one of them really went well, so I want to keep giving you guys content and see if you like different types of styles. In this episode, or this week as you're watching, I'm gonna tell you why like the Cerave, I didn't see a change in it at all. Nothing, nada. So I guess if you want to see why, then keep on watching. I just want to say that I do actually like the brand Cerave. There's just some products in there that I find it doesn't work for my skin. Doesn't mean it's not going to work for you. This is just my personal opinion. I am not an esthetician in any way, shape or form. This is just my thoughts and opinions. Literally that's it. I know there's 2 videos out now proclaiming that these products just don't work for me, but that's just how it is and my skin doesn't necessarily like it. Maybe if you guys enjoy this video, I'll actually do a full review on the products I do like from the whole line, only the stuff I can get like in the UK, because there's a more variety and range in the USA. Furthermore, like I said, if you want me to do any other review on other products, please comment down below, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye. First of all, I do want to say that I have been using this product for a while. I'll put like on the screen somewhere, like all of these products were purchased on the 24th of June. So we have 3 photos coming up. I do want to apologize because these photos wasn't taken in the same lighting, but for me, like in real life, I cannot see a difference. When I first got it, I literally started using it all the time and consistently, and I do my skincare every morning and night just because I'm a skincare junkie. I just love it so much. I just love products, I love stuff, and so I purchased a lot of skincare with my own budget. And with that one, this one just didn't do anything for me. Now I'll insert some pictures of like the date and time frame and whatnot. It's just, I don't know, a lot of people say that, you know, eye creams are just expensive moisturizers. I guess you can say that in a sense, because the Cerave, the night cream it's like very similar. This is just a bit thicker and in a smaller tube. I'm not sure. I basically just want to say, like, if you just want a good eye cream, just use your moisturizer and bring it up to your eyes. Don't look at my nails, it's really bad. I can't get them done because COVID. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the consistency of this product on the back of my hand. Oh, my nails are so bad. So it's kind of thick, you just have to work it into your skin. And when you're applying eye creams, always remember to use the fourth finger on your hand, because it's the softest, and under your eyes is very thin. You don't want to be like so rough, you want to be just quite light-handed. What's that? Yeah, I don't really have a lot to say on this product. It's just it doesn't work. Like, this was, wait, how much was this? I swear in the UK it's like over £10 or something. I'll get it up on the screen, but it's just so expensive, and I guess you're just paying you're just paying for like ceramides in an eye cream, where you can literally get in another cream but as a like face lotion, and you can just bring it up to your eyes. Don't really know what to say about this product apart from don't waste your money. well, this video is going to be very short and sweet because there's just not a lot to say about this one eye cream that literally just did nothing. Like, if you can see, I'll insert both pictures again, but on either of them, somewhere around here, there is no difference at all. I mean, if you guys can see difference, please comment down below. But I really want to, like, I'm putting this video out there to see if anybody else has this issue as well. Like, I don't know, Cerave recently, it just keeps going out of stock, and I don't know what the hype is because the eye cream just doesn't do anything for me. I think this line, like Cerave as itself, is for people who are just starting up for skincare and want a boost in their routine. I think this is just for beginners, but there's a lot more innovative, better things out there if you want to really correct dark circles or under eye baggage or wrinkles under your eyes. I haven't really found a good one yet, so I guess if you're watching this, please recommend a good one for me. Yeah, this is my skin now. I do have a bit of eye makeup on just because I was bored. I do get breakouts occasionally and my skin is combination, but as we'll get into the winter, it always fluctuates. My main concern is just uneven tone and hyperpigmentation. Apart from that, then yeah, sorry, I just keep rambling. It's just me. Anyway, thank you guys for watching and staying tuned to the end. Please, in the comment section down below, comment what you want my next video to be like. I'm really open to suggestion, and we're in a second lockdown, so I think I'll be able to push out a bit more content for you guys than usual. As always, stay safe, and yeah, I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.